Hopefully you found the worksheets on my website at onlineteacherangela.com. Let's get started. The theme for this week is Positive Thinking Day. I found some fun words to go along with thinking positive. And the first word at the top is optimism. Have you heard that word before? Being optimistic, meaning being positive. So starting with the lowercase o, hopefully you're comfortable, you have a nice sharp pencil. It's circle around, loop tail right into the P, big loop down, up, bump, tail right into that T, I, and then a tail, little line down, bump up, little line down, up, bump, little line down, another I, little line up into the S, bump, tail, and another M, tail, little line bump, little line bump, little line tail. Now remember, we always do freehand writing. We copy that word that we just traced. Optimism. So if you're in a difficult situation, maybe a little optimism will help. Next word is support. Little line bump, tail into the U, little line up, bump, little line up, bump, tail, another P. So big loop down, up, bump, tail, big loop down, up, bump, tail, and curve into the O. Circle, loop, tail, little line up, diagonal, down for the R, and T. It's always nice to have support. Maybe if we aren't having the best day, sometimes having a support or a good friend can help us to be a little more positive in our day. Confidence. Sometimes thinking positive even gives us a little bit of confidence. So circle around, bump tail, curve into the O. Circle, loop tail, little line down, up, bump, little line down, right into that F. Big loop up, big line down, loop, tail into that I, curve into the D, bump, up, down, tail, and E is just a little loop around, and N. Tail, little line down, bump, down, curve into the C, bump, tail, and loop around for that E. Now sometimes when we do words of the week, you might find that we don't always have enough space for the whole word. If they're a longer word, that's okay. You can always flip the paper over because I've tested it. You can kind of see the lines coming through the back. Or you can just have extra piece of notebook paper next to you. Good cheer. So bump up, loop down, and tail. Circle into the O, loop tail, circle, loop tail, and curve into that D. Bump, up, down, tail. Cheer. Bump, tail, big loop up, big line down, up, bump, down, and into 2E. So little loop, little line up, diagonal, down, tail. I'm going to see if I can fit it in here. I may not be able to for the rest of the sheet, but that's okay, because I know you will keep practicing on your own even after we're done here. Just take your time. Kind friends can always help us to have a positive insight. So big loop up, down, up, loop, and a big tail right into that I. Little line down, up, bump, down, curve into the D. Bump, up, down, tail. Remember to dot those I's. Big loop up, big line down, loop right into that R. We have a lot of the same letters today. Little loop, which is great because you're just working on mastering those. So again, the S is little line up, bump, tail. And make sure you copy this doing freehand work. Journaling is a great tool to use when maybe things aren't going so well, but even when you're excited, when great things are happening, putting your thoughts on paper is very powerful. So with a J, it's just a little tail, then a big loop down tail and curve into that O. Circle, loop, tail, U, little line, bump, up, down, tail, another R, another N, and then curve into that A. Bump, up, down, tail, and then a big loop for the L. Little line up, down, another N, curve into the G, bump, up, loop, tail. Make sure you dot the J and the I. Finding solutions, that really might help us to stay more positive. We don't get stuck in not knowing, kind of grumpy. Maybe if I find some solutions, I'll have a more positive outlook. So again, F, big loop up, big line down, loop, tail right into that I, and curve into that D, big line up, down, tail, S, little line up, bump, curve into that O, circle, loop, tail, big loop up, U, little line, bump, T, I, curve into the O, circle, loop, tail, and N. And one more S. Dot, dot. And last one, just having a positive mindset can totally change our day. So tail, big loop down, up, bump, tail, curve into the O, circle, loop, tail, bump, tail right into that I, T, big line up, down, little line up, down, and now here's a new letter, V, tail, little line down, bump, up, and a little loop right into that E, loop, bump, tail. Now, you'll see when you're tracing, that's kind of a big loop. Sometimes I take it a little bit smaller. Dot, dot, tail, little line, bump, bump, tail into that I, tail, little line down, bump, curve into the D, bump, up, down, tail, another S, loop for the E, big line up, down, tail, for the T, and make sure you dot that I. So in the month of September, we have Positive Thinking Day, but you know, we could just make it a positive month. So hopefully you had a good time writing with me. Remember, the worksheets are on my website. See you next time.